Hello everyone, we have an amazing project to show you today. What it is an exterior wood repairs as well as staining the exterior of their house. Basically it was tongue and groove siding, and we got this, I believe it was 3 bay windows we had to repair siding areas, and we did it in roughly 3 days. So it wasn't too bad.
I had to replace the siding. I removed the old siding. Then I had to check if the backboard, the wooden behind was rotten or not, as it was. Probably my fingers molded and everything. So I replaced it with new board, attached it to the frame of the porch. Then I replaced with new siding, which is tongue groove pine. And then just finish up the trim work and then put some caulking around, and it should be done.
And the staining we did right after that, and the customer picked an amazing color with an Oxford brown. Completely modernizes the house, brings it up to date, as well as protects the wood much better. And we ended up doing the fence as well, and I think the curb appeal looks amazing.
Well, originally the owner had asked for him a dark walnut, so I went to get him 3 samples. This way the customer gets a real look at exactly what color it looks where and what. And he went with the Oxford brown. Beautiful color.
And as you can see from the before and after pictures, the results were stunning. The client was extremely happy with it as well, and he referred to us on HomeStars. So if you like what you see, we can definitely do this for you also. Please call us at 416-494-9095. Thanks so much for watching.